Every great symbol begins as something far simpler than you imagine.
This brass will soon carry the dreams of billions.
Precision begins long before the first spark.
Every cut is planned before the metal ever feels heat. In this workshop, even millimeters carry enormous weight.
The real story is about to begin in fire.
One wrong decision here, and the entire piece is lost forever. The metal is about to surrender its old form completely.
Watch as the metal begins to surrender its shape.
Temperature is everything, and nothing can be left to chance.
The metal has become something entirely new.
This is the moment where everything can still go wrong. The shape that will one day lift the world is being born right now.
Every curve and every figure starts in this single pour.
Now the metal must be patient as it finds its final solid form.
The fire has done its work. Now the waiting begins. The fire has given birth, but the real work has only just begun.
Every spark removes what does not belong. This is where rough metal starts becoming human. Now the real soul of the trophy begins to appear. Every strike must be perfect, and there is no undo button here. This globe will one day represent the entire world of football.
One wrong angle, and the emotion disappears forever.
This is where art and engineering become one.
The figures now feel alive, and the real test is still to come. Now the real shine begins. Every finer grit removes the memory of the previous one.
The metal is almost ready to receive its golden soul. Every surface must reflect light perfectly.
The brass has become a perfect canvas.
The metal is flawless. Now the real magic begins.
One missed scratch, and the gold will reveal it forever.
This surface is now ready to become something legendary. The greatest transformation is still ahead.
This invisible step decides whether the gold will last a lifetime.
The metal is about to receive its golden identity.
This is where brass and gold become one at the molecular level.
Watch as the trophy finds its true identity. Timing and current decide everything. The first layer is complete, but the real protection is still coming.
Thicker gold means it will still look perfect in 50 years. The transformation is almost complete. Every champion needs a strong foundation. The base must be as perfect as the gold it will support.
Proportion is everything in something this iconic.
Nature and craftsmanship are now working together.
Now, the real assembly begins.
Every letter must be perfect. There is no second chance. These letters will still be readable long after we are gone.
The final personality always comes from human hands.
Two perfect pieces are about to become one legendary object. This is the moment everything has been building toward. Strength and beauty must exist in the same object. This joint will never move again.
It is no longer parts. It is now the trophy.
True masters never stop refining until it is perfect.
Champions must stand perfect from every angle.
These letters will be read by champions for generations.
It is finished, and now the real story can begin.
Every champion replica must meet the exact standard.
Perfection is measured, not guessed.
The human eye still catches what machines miss.
Light reveals everything. Even gold needs protection to stay perfect for decades.
The last touch is often the most important.
One more journey remains.
Even champions deserve the right presentation.
It is ready to meet its champion.
Every trophy carries its own story from this moment forward.
Respect is shown in every detail.
The hands that made it will never lift it in victory, but they gave it everything. This is what all the fire and precision were building toward. It is no longer a trophy. It is now a legend. From raw brass to this, every champion deserves something this perfect.